How to use the law of attraction. In this video we are going to discuss how to use the law of attraction to get anything you want. Learning how to manifest such things as love, money, happiness, abundance and more is already a part of each of us. We just need to know how to bring it out and change our lives for the better. Understanding just how the law of attraction is a fundamental key to your success. If you want to change your life, and empower yourself to create an amazing future, then you need to understand your role in the law of attraction. Expect miracles. The law of attraction allows for infinite possibilities, infinite abundance, and infinite joy. It knows no order of difficulty, and it can change your life in every way. In order to really understand how the law of attraction works in your life, we need to look at a few things. I will explain the law of attraction, how to master it in your life to attract success in many areas, a meditation technique, and some tips for abundance. Let's start at the beginning. What is the law of attraction? Simply put, the law of attraction says that you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you give your energy and attention to will come back to you. So, if you stay focused on the good and positive things in your life, you will automatically attract more good and positive things into your life. If you are focused upon lack and negativity, then that is what will be attracted into your life. Here's how it works. Like attracts like. If you are feeling excited, enthusiastic, passionate, happy, joyful, appreciative, or abundant, then you are sending out positive energy. On the other hand, if you are feeling bored, anxious, stressed out, angry, resentful, or sad, you are sending out negative energy. The universe, through the law of attraction, will respond enthusiastically to both of these vibrations. It doesn't decide which one is better for you, it just responds to whatever energy you are creating, and it gives you more of the same. You get back exactly what you put out there. Whatever you are thinking and feeling at any given time is basically your request to the universe for more of the same. Because your energy vibrations will attract energy back to you of the same frequencies, you need to make sure that you are continually sending out energy, thoughts, and feelings that resonate with what you want to be, do, and experience. Your energy frequencies need to be in tune with what you want to attract in your life. If joy and love are what you want to attract, then the vibrational frequencies of joy and love are what you want to create. Next off, how to use the law of attraction. Once you understand the law of attraction, and how it works, you can begin to consciously and intentionally create a better life. You can choose to respond differently to the situations that arise during your day. You can choose to think differently. You can choose to focus and think about the things you want more of in your life. You can choose to experience more of the things that make you feel good. You can choose to deliberately participate in the creation of your future by managing your thoughts and feelings. Using the law of attraction is a three-step process: ask, believe and receive. 1. Ask the universe for what you want, not for what you don't want. Every day, you send out requests to the universe, as well as to your subconscious mind, in the form of thoughts, literally, what you think about, read about, talk about, and give your attention to. Unfortunately, what we give our attention to is often random and not deliberate. You simply respond to situations. Because the law of attraction states that you'll attract into your life whatever you give your energy, focus, and attention to, wanted or unwanted. You must become more deliberate about what you think and feel. To become more intentional about the thoughts you offer the universe, you'll need to decide what you want, but also practice feeling those emotions you'll experience when you have it. Perhaps you want to change career, move to another state, win a major professional award, have your own TV show, or recover from a major illness. How would you feel once you've arrived at your goal? What would you be doing throughout your day? Who would you be spending time with? The more you focus on and talk about what you do want, instead of what you don't want, the faster you will manifest your dreams and goals. 2. Believe that you will get what you want, then take action. What does it mean to believe you will get what you want? It means maintaining a positive expectancy, going about your day with certainty knowing that you've put your future in the hands of powers that are greater than yours. It's deciding with conviction that what you want will absolutely happen. This is not always easy. Many people have limiting beliefs which keep them from allowing abundance and happiness into their lives. If this describes you, realize that you must first change your limiting beliefs into thoughts that you are deserving, worthy, lovable, desirable, and capable, as well as smart enough, strong enough, attractive enough, rich enough, good enough, and enough in every other way that matters to you. Once you believe that you will get what you want, The second part of the equation is to take action. Taking the actions that would create your desired result affirms your belief that what you want is within reach. 3. Receive what you want by becoming a vibrational match for it. In order to receive that which you are intending, you must become a vibrational match for what you want to attract into your life. The easiest way to become a vibrational match is to focus on creating positive emotions of love, joy, appreciation, and gratitude throughout your day. As with everything, this takes time and practice. However, the more you put a conscious effort into attracting what you want, and following these steps, the easier it will become. You can begin to expect miracles. Thanks for watching our How to Use the Law of Attraction video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you click the link in the description you can take this 30 seconds manifestation reading and reveal your true magical manifestation powers. You may just find the answers you've been searching for.